Good morning, YouTube fam. I am up early today, and today we are going to be productive. We're going to do spring cleaning because I currently have stuff everywhere all over my house, and I finally just conquered my makeup vanity, which I will share with you. It's just so organized. I had so much expired makeup. I highly recommend you do that every once in a while and do like a nice throw out, and also stuff that obviously have not gone bad you can give away. Usually what I do to friends or family, and it's so nice when it's clutter free and you have space, because I just know when I have so many things in my drawers, it gets overwhelming to do my makeup in the morning, and I just like to have things out that I can see, that I use, that I like. So it makes a lot of sense to do this, but we are going to do areas all over my house. I just think it's a really good time to spring clean, and we're getting into spring, which is so exciting. My coffee right now, I also have, because we just went to Sephora, the Pink Brew podcast Instagram, as well as my SL Miss Glam Beauty. We did a giveaway and we did a shopping in store, which was so fun. It was a challenge between Chantel and I, who would win, get closer to the number 500, and it was Chantel that won. But we have a big giveaway for you guys as well. We're doing a $200 gift card. So I got lots of goodies I'm really excited to share with you, but I'm going to do that as well. Put everything away in my makeup vanity, spring clean. So if you guys want to see more cleaning videos, let me know in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and let's roll right in. I do have a hair appointment with the girls today, so I'm going to do a quick makeup, and I'm going in with the RareBeauty. This is such a fine mist. I love this. In the morning, wakes me up. I'm also going in with the primer, which I just bought again. But today I'm really excited because I am partnering again with Ritual, and you guys have seen them in my last videos. I have been getting my vitamin fix on, and I feel like I've been so healthy lately with what I've been consuming, my multivitamins, and I overall just feel very good. You guys can tell in my videos, feel just like really, really good lately, and I have to say, I know for a fact it's what you're putting into your body internally. I always say multivitamins are so important. As you get older, you realize this as well, and taking a probiotic is so important, which there's actually two that I wanted to talk about today. The new ones I've been using are these sleep ones, these ones right here. Holy grail, because honestly, sleep is one thing that has been the most challenging with having children, the most challenging. I don't sleep very often. I'm waking up throughout the night, and I find it just doesn't really change. Like, you have a baby, then you have a toddler, and things just don't change. So whatever you can do internally, whatever you can do for your mental health is the most valuable, which everybody knows melatonin is what makes you sleepy. But the nice thing about it is supports a natural sleep-wake cycle. Basically helps your body know when to wake up and when it's sleeping. And I have been loving it. I've been doing it for a month now. So the Sleep Bio series is a 3-in-1, just like the prebiotic that I take. You guys already know, this is my absolute favorite symbiotic. So this has everything in it. It's a prebiotic, probiotic, and a postbiotic. So again, it's like a 3-in-1, and I take this every day. I've been obsessed. I think this one I've been doing for 3 to 4 months, but this one has been a game changer for my sleep schedule. So you just wake up feeling refreshed. I highly recommend them. And again, this is all dietary supplements, and a lot better in my opinion, along with if you're working out regularly, eating good. These things will all help you. And I've also been trying to take down my caffeine intake a little bit. You guys know I'm a coffee lover, hence coffee all day long, but I do want to limit myself and just have a little bit less caffeine, a little bit more water, and I find that helps as well. But sleep is one of the most important things in your life, you guys. And I know for me, like, I am a better mom, I'm a better business owner, I'm a better everything when I have more sleep. If I wake up exhausted or tired, I just like don't want to do anything. And I'm sure you guys know what I mean by that. If you guys want to pick up the Sleep or the Symbiotic or the Hyacera, these are all available. You guys can use my code. I will leave a link down in the description. The code here, it's SLMissGlam25, so you guys can have lots of savings. I am so excited too. I got another one of these yesterday, the Huda Beauty blushes. These are so beautiful. Got another YSL blush, but the one I got, oh no, that's the lip gloss. Got this blush today. This is the Cotton Candy. So this one was more like of a nude color, which I really like. Let me show you guys. Look at that. So more of like a natural, oh, I'm obsessed. Let's see what that looks like. That's so pretty. Yeah, obviously more of like a spring pink, but very vibrant. And I'm really excited for our next podcast episode. We're doing everything makeup. It'll be a very lighthearted episode. I'm so excited. Some of our best favorited products. Just talk a little bit more about the brands that we would recommend, and just a makeup junkie kind of episode, which I think aligns with both of our passions, me and Chantel. We both love makeup, so this is just so nice. And I'm going in with the Doll 10 foundation, which I didn't buy a new foundation because I love this one. Did something new on my Instagram. I did kind of like a little bit of a rant series, but just things that have been very bothersome. I'm like, you know what? Sometimes those are the ways we can connect the most because it's relatable content. I felt very good and it was a very therapeutic session for me. So that is on my Instagram if you guys want to go check it out. I'm thinking of doing them a little bit more frequently too, but just like a real chat. I'm also booking our flights today. We are off to New York for Ipsy's big award show that they do. I went 2 years ago. Can't believe it's been that long. But I'm really, really excited to go. It's just going to be a quick trip. 2 nights, 3 days. There we go. Be like a vlog. I haven't done like a travel vlog in a while because I have not traveled in a while. Okay, I'm going to move you guys a little bit because that spot was getting a little dark. Just have a little bit of a different filming situation every time I'm filming, where I have all my products. Just like having everything out. I'm really excited to get into spring content. I want to start getting into outfits as well because I want to buy some. I want to transform my closet maybe in another video and do like a spring closet video where I get all my sweaters, move them to the other side, and then all of my spring clothes will be on this side, and dresses. By far the best powder I've ever used, the Kosas one. And it's the Cloud Set. It is so nice and blurring. I'm like obsessed. And I restocked on that too, so chill, relaxed weekend. We have 2 friends coming over tomorrow. I also got this like really cool cocktail maker. I know I did an Instagram reel with it, but it's amazing. And I'm very skeptical of cocktails with like lots of artificial flavors, and I like especially when it comes to a margarita, I like a classic margarita that tastes like a margarita. Shocked on how good it is. Like, it is really good. Brushes over here. I'm obsessed with these bronzers too by Selena Gomez, Rare Beauty. They blend out so nicely. Just got a massive package in from her too of new blushes, so I'm really excited to play with those. They smell so good too. There's nothing more therapeutic than makeup shopping, I tell you. We were little kids in a candy store, you guys. You can really just like blend them out with your finger. I find they're like the most natural, but I find that cream product does really work well with your finger. And you guys, that is it. That is the only makeup I'm doing today. And then just a little bit baby pink right here. It gives your lips a natural pink hue, which I love. Then I don't have to put anything else on. Freezing, hence why I'm wearing pants with my robe. It is so cold. We got snow today. Like, are you kidding me? It is April in a minute here. I can't believe it. To do lots of folding today because I have a big hamper. Girls have tons of laundry that I have to fold. So we're just gonna get started. I told you guys, look at that snow. So this is the current situation right now. I promise the drawers are clean inside. I have to clean my brushes. We've got lots of new makeup. We also have areas to fill, which will be perfect for my new Sephora stuff. More organizers down here where I just need to find a space for them. My brushes and mirrors, however, are very organized. I do my makeup by category, or I do in the top drawers the stuff I use the most, and then bottom stuff that I just don't use a lot. We are all organized. So I finally cleared off all of my makeup. I've been just getting so many PR packages, and then we just went to Sephora, so I just wanted to get everything away. Feel like you just start small, then you'll do the bigger tasks, and I'm gonna do some vacuuming as well, but I have everything out, all my little pretty things. It's just cleared and organized now, so it's so much easier to get ready. It's so much easier to film. At Vanity, I just wanted to clear off and get lots of new stuff that I wanted to try out, so the little middle organizer I have is perfect for that, and just storing new things that I just picked up at Sephora, which the Sephora sale is coming up. Let me know what you guys are planning on buying. A little Easter bunny. Next task is to get everything organized for spring. So going through a transformation this week, I want to get all of my dresses out and just completely redo my spring closet, which will be really fun. But yeah, very clean and organized. And I know I'll probably get questions on who's in the photo right here. That's me when I was little. My grandpa. Yeah, just have a little picture frame there. And we are very organized for the most part. Cleaning to do in my podcast room today. We still have a cozy vibe, but I've got all my cameras out. Quickly show you guys something I just ordered. How cute. A little candy machine, and it's pink. Pretty proud of myself though. We had organizing. I even just did vacuuming, but it's a little hard sometimes to share with you guys because I have the girls home as well. I have a professional day on Monday, so it's going to be a long weekend for us. I'm really, really excited though. Again, for the podcast, we're going to be filming it on Tuesday. So go subscribe to that channel if you haven't. And a huge thank you again for Ritual for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys use my coupon code. It'll be in the description. If you want to get your sleep game on. I'm going to leave the video off here, but I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Very small things until then. I'd like to show you guys this cute little martini set. Eggs for breakfast. Just in front of